Hi everyone. Earlier we discussed just one area that supports the family unit whilst adjusting with your caring role. And now we're going to add work into the mix. So here I am nearing my sixth year as a working unpaid carer. And it is very difficult managing work demands and caring demands. But I've been in a position where I've had to raise concerns on unrealistic work demands. And it's not until you've had that experience you truly understand and have insight why 600 people per day as a working unpaid carer quit their jobs. So, our next discussion will be, how do you manage work and your caring role efficiently? And just share our experiences. So I look forward to our next